I'm going to give you, show you, taste these, and I give you the taste of it and tell you how much it tastes. I got baked potato with sour cream and butter, and then the scampies and the slaw. That is so good. I wish everybody was here helping me eat. So that is good. And I got my slaw here.
I thought they were over there. I saw them walk out that way. I didn't even see that there was a car over there.
That tastes like...
Damn.
That is so good.
I'm just gonna stop that now.
Let me turn this up. Now, I get my shrimp scampies here.
I thought they were. No, I actually moved outside. I did not see that there was a car over there.
Oh, they're so good. And there's a bunch of them, too. I've been blessed this morning. It's been a while since I've been out. I think my last was my Granny Fish's dinner. I went to eat at Granny Fish's between here and town. All right, and I've got taste of the shrimp scampies are just that delicious. And then I'm going to eat a piece of my biscuit. That is absolutely delicious. Let me get me some salt and pepper. That would it. Well,
I have not.
All right, so.
Because I ran the big part now.
okay. Let me get the pepper going here.
What table was it, 25?
There you go. Now I got it just like I want it. All right. And let me get my camera here. So, I'm going to eat this, and when I get through, I'll bring you back and give you a review of how everything was. I'll be back in a little bit. Absolutely delicious. I get my camera.